I want to start this video with a seemingly simple question. What is a dissertation? A dissertation is the final step of a PhD program, and it displays the student's ability to collect, analyze, frame questions and draw conclusions concerning his or her research. Or, as Sydney Smith argues in Manifesto for the Humanities, it is the presumed measure of promise in most humanities fields, a demonstration that doctoral students can accomplish the arduous work of imagining, researching, digesting, organizing and arguing in fluid prose important interventions in their fields. Now, while this makes sense, these things actually speak more to what a dissertation does. It displays, it presents, it demonstrates, it promises. In other words, it doesn't tell us much about how a dissertation looks like, what it smells like, or what it feels like. These concerns with materiality, aesthetics, and even the tactile qualities of a dissertation might seem silly to you, but I would argue that this is mainly because we tend to think of a dissertation as a written text on pages of paper. A great way of looking at what we do when we write a dissertation has been visualized by Matthew Might, a computer science professor at the University of Utah. He asks his students to imagine a circle which contains all of human knowledge. By the time you finish elementary school, you know a little. By the time you finish high school, you know a bit more. With a bachelor's degree, you gain a specialty, and a master's degree deepens that specialty. Reading research papers then takes you to the edge of human knowledge. And once you're at the boundary, you focus. You push at the boundary for a few years, and one day the boundary gives way. And that dent that you've made is called a PhD. The traditional dissertation monograph tends to encourage solitary inquiry over collaboration. It will train emerging scholars to hone their research and writing skills, but it will often prevent them from speaking to other possible audiences and collaborators outside the academy. It will prepare doctoral students to navigate the academic field of publishing, but it might fail to teach them to sail the waters of the digital revolution. What I'm trying to say here is that focusing on just one form of dissertation, focusing on just one way of pushing the boundary of human knowledge, will limit not only the how we create and circulate knowledge, but also what type of knowledge we have access to in the first place.
Todos recordamos de manera diferente.
Esto es un relato conjunto de un viaje.